Discover a new connection between humanity and nature. The very essence of life expressed in an extraordinary experience. Along the coast in the middle of the central region of Chile, you will find Parque Tricao. Discover sights inspired by the finest of arts. Discover the largest free-flight aviary in South America. Discover landscapes where colors fly above the richness of 120 hectares of recovered land. A place where your hopes turn limitless with more than 30 kilometers of biking and trekking trails. Be part of a magical experience. Discover Parque Tricao.